How to organize files in OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and want to read on how to organize your files on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, navigate to the folder where you want to organize your files, just like this. Then to create a new folder, tap on the plus button right here, select it, and tap on the folder right here, tap on it. Now simply name your folder, just like this, and tap on to save. Now you can see it has been created. Now to move files into folder, tap and hold the file to select it. You can select multiple files by tapping on others after the first selection. Just like this. Then tap the move icon, just right here, select it. Then simply choose the folder that you want to move. Now tap on it. And here you can find move, now select it. Now you can see 3 items has been moved to that file. To rename files or folders, tap and hold the file folder, tap rename and enter the new name and tap save or OK. To delete unwanted files, select files by tapping and holding them, just like this. And here you can find delete button right here, select it and tap on to delete. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find files or folders. You can also sort files by name, date or size by tapping the sort icon right here, just right from here. And that's it. This is how you can organize files in OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.